I'm going to show you how to add an image to your website using JavaScript. Here is the simple index.html file, and I have included the main.js file. It's pretty simple, nothing fancy. The first step is to create an image element object in JavaScript. So inside the main.js file, type document. When I say document, I'm referring to the entire HTML document. Now I'm going to call the createElement method on the document object. Dot createElement, E uppercase, opening, closing parenthesis, and semicolon. The createElement method is part of the DOM API. It allows you to create any type of HTML element in JavaScript. Okay, the createElement method takes a single argument, which is the tag name. In this case, I want to create an image element, so it will be img inside quotes. This method will return the image HTML element as an object. So let's assign it to a constant called image. So const space image equals. The second step is to set an image URL to the image element object using the source property. So image.src equals quotes and semicolon. Inside the quotes, I can simply add the location path of the image file in the project folder. As you can see, I have images folder and it has an image.png file in it. So the file path will be images / image.png. Alternatively, I can also use the third-party URL of Append. Here is one of the websites that offers free image URLs with the random images. So https://pixum.photos/300/400. The third step is to show the image on the browser. At this stage, I have successfully created an image element object and set an image to it, but it is not yet added to the DOM, document object model. The DOM is the tree structure representation of the HTML file rendered inside the browser. So let's add the image element object to the DOM. So document.body, I want to add the image element inside the body element. So .appendChild, C uppercase, opening, closing parenthesis, and semicolon. Inside the parenthesis, I'm going to pass the image element object, which is image, and the image becomes visible on the browser. Nice, like this. As I mentioned before, go ahead and download my free guide, 17 important DOM manipulation CRUD operation techniques with code examples without using jQuery, that will help you to become a better JavaScript developer, especially with the client-side web development. The link is in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will reach out to every single one of you as soon as I can. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next lecture.